Actually, I've got a nice surprise here. If you want to gather around, I'll show you something really interesting.
Let's do it.
I've got a fun surprise here.
Nice.
Here at HTO Beach, HTO University, and I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing here. So I've got something here to unbox. I'm going to unbox something here. I'm going to make an unboxing video.
Classic YouTube.
And here we are. Unboxing video.
Oh wow.
Muse Athena, brand new.
That's incredible. Wow.
What's this? Muse Athena. Hey.
That's our new product. That's our brand new product that we just released recently. The world's first combined FNIRS and EEG.
Nice.
Functional near-infrared spectroscopy combined with electroencephalograph.
Wow.
And here we are, unboxing of the new Muse Athena. This is the world's first EEG plus FNIRS. There it is. And there's a nice little window there so you can see the package. There it is. Brand new. Now, and then it's sealed in this little package here. Sealed in this little, there it is, Muse Athena.
This will be so useful in the lab.
There it is.
Oh yeah. Brand new
Brand new Muse Athena with the same magnetic clip that we've had on our previous products. But the nice silver threads here are beautiful with all the electrodes, and it's got the near and far functional near infrared spectroscopy. It's got the little windows, all these windows all across the front here that let light connect to the brain, so it's optical as well as electrical. You just be careful taking it on and off. It's different than the other one in that the magnet for the pod goes around the whole thing rather than having the two parts, rather than having the split there.
Steve, one thing I'm kind of curious about after working with the
And of course it won't go backwards because north to north and south to south, it makes sure that it goes right.
Those pins there's those 4 pins on this side, but they don't connect to the headband.
Well, these are the pins that are connected.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So the magnets are just to hold it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Actually.
And then this connects it here. So anyway, I think maybe what I'll do is I'll sign this out temporarily to Rockland here.
Okay.
So that he has a Muse Athena to play with.
Perfect.
For a little while, so that you guys can work together and develop the chirplet transform based Muse sensing. And then we'll do some research like being in a ball with the Muse to see what the blood oxygen levels are like inside a ball during intense physical activity. What we want to do is connect people to nature. That's the whole idea of this outdoor classroom here. Is that we're here at HTO Beach as a research lab, as a university, the beach as a lab, as a university, as a classroom. We did it at Ontario Place, but that's unfortunately been taken away from us. So now here we are at HTO Beach, which is quite nice. We've got the Rogers Sky Dome right there and the CN Tower. This is quintessential Toronto. If you hold up the Muse Athena there, if you guys all gather in, I can probably see you've got this little outdoor classroom here. That's pretty good. Yeah. All right. Yes. Yeah.
Should I put it on or should I just move it?
Yeah, you can just put it on. Yeah. Yeah. Muse Athena. Yes. Ah. All right. Here we are. at HTO Beach.